Hey everyone, welcome back to another Plan With Me video. We're planning out the month of December. December is all Christmas and I so love Christmas. It actually is the most wonderful time of the year. So that's the theme of my bullet journal this month. However, I kept it pretty minimal. I played around with some holly and a doodle of a reindeer. Two things that remind me of Christmas. The theme colors of this month are red, green and gold. I will link all the stationery that I use in the description box down below. For the holly, I basically drew a very thin branch with a 0.03 black fine liner, and I worked around the branch with black and then colored everything in with green. I think I used like 5 types of leaves. To make it actual holly, I went in with 2 red markers, a bright red one and a more wine red marker. The alternation of the red colors brings a little bit more dynamic in there. I added some gold dots to make it shimmer. I made the holly branch into a circle and in the middle I wrote Dressember. I wasn't entirely happy with how the green part of the circle turned out. I might change that later on. I mentioned earlier, reindeers remind me of Christmas. So I drew a doodle on top of my monthly spread. This is an easy doodle that I drew thanks to Pinterest. I will link the step-by-step instructions of how to draw this reindeer down below. I'm not the best artist, so I have to learn how to draw when I work through my bullet journal. I think this is a fun and useful way to get creative. On top of the page I wrote a quote that says, "It's December time." I love Christmas, but December has more to it than just Christmas. In Belgium, for example, we have this great holiday called Saint Nicholas, where we hand out candy and presents to kids. I love it. On the right page I made a notes section. I need this for the month of December because my exams are starting in January and I need a space to plan everything out. Because I don't know what my exam planning spread is gonna look like yet, I need an open page to just write and scribble everything down. On the bottom of the page I wrote notes with some more holly branches. I finished up the spread with some golden dots and a Bordeaux frame around the page. Next up, my mood tracker. I started with a quote that says, "All is calm, all is bright." I want to work through the month of December with this quote in the back of my mind. Exams are coming up and it's dark and cold outside. These are things that can affect our mood. Also, I will be wearing dresses the entire month of December. Yes, only dresses. No jeans, no skirts, only dresses. Something that will affect my mood without a doubt. But why am I doing this? I will be wearing a dress every day of December for awareness for human trafficking, and more specifically for women in prostitution. This initiative is called Dressember. I will link the website with some more information on it down below. On the bottom of the page, I drew another reindeer who got stuck in the string of lights that I used for my mood tracker. The same as every month, I will be coloring in the light bulbs according to my mood. For my study tracker, I kept it very simple. Again with some holly to make it festive and wintry. What I do here is basically I fill in the tracker every day with the amount of hours I have studied. So on the vertical line, I write the days of the month and then I will draw horizontal bars for the amount of hours studied. Again, finishing off the spread with a splash of gold. Straight on to my weekly spread. I'm not doing a budget tracker this month because my budget will entirely go to Christmas presents. So for my weekly spreads, I am using the same format I have been using for months. This works for me during school. I think for the month of February, when my school is finished, I will have to find another sort of layout, so stay tuned for that. For now, I love that I can plan out my day by the hour and I have a lot of space left for to-dos and some habit tracking. And of course my water tracker, which has been very helpful with drinking enough water. I tried to match this spread with the rest of my monthly setup by adding some Bordeaux. For a final touch, I'm adding a quote in sparkly gold that says, "Baby, it's cold outside." Once again accompanied by a cute little reindeer. Alright, that was it guys. I hope you liked this video and got some inspiration from it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, enjoy the flip through, and I will see you in the next one.